Welcome. In this video, we're talking about ReconDog. ReconDog is a web, like DNS, whois, a website information gathering tool. So first thing that I want to do is go to my terminal. I want to go to my desktop, just because that's where I want to be able to do my git clone there. And I want to look up ReconDog. Git clone, ReconDog, DOG. First one from GitHub. I'm going to go ahead and copy that URL. Notice dog.py, it's a Python file. We have a licensing and a README. I'm also going to scroll down and I'm going to go ahead and see what's going on. Notice we have to have, to run these scripts, we have to have Python installed. And that's really the only instruction that they give us. So let's go ahead and let's try. Git clone, paste it, do an ls, change directory to ReconDog, ls. We want to go ahead and run dog.py. You may get a permission is denied. One thing that they love to leave out is we actually have to do our chmod. We need to add the execute command to dog.py. Oh, chmod helps if I type it correctly. Now let's go ahead and run our dog.py. And there it goes. We can do any of the appropriate actions, like a whois lookup. So for right now, it's just educational purposes, so I'm going to do Google for all of these. One, here is Google's domain name, their registrar, their creation date, update, their name services, all of that fun stuff. You may notice that it may kick you out after that. I just got into the habit of going back into it. So I want to do option 2, DNS lookup, google.com. And here, you actually can see the appropriate DNS lookups for it. It's MX records, it's text records, it's IPv6 AAA records, it's A record. Let's do 3. I don't think it's going to let us do it, because I know Google has their DNS or their domain secured, so we actually cannot transfer, hence the failed transfer, because we don't have permission to do that. Again, if you had the appropriate permissions, you could do that. Port scan. Google probably realized what we're trying to do and say no. Port scan may take a little while to do, so I'm going to pause while it's going through it. And there it goes. It only took a few moments, but that was its output. Let's go ahead and let's see if we can grab the HTTP header. And that is the header for google.com. But I mean, again, that's what I was expecting. Honeypot. Let's see if we can see if there's a honeypot. I think they only want an IP address, so yep, seeing it wanted an IP address. I gave it a domain name. It did not like that. You guys can go through the honeypot detector with an IP address. That's more than sufficient. 8. And again, 8 is link grabber. Those are all the appropriate links. Let's go ahead and we're almost done. Let's do 9. That's probably going to want a IP address. So it failed again because we're giving it a domain name, not an IP address. That's all right. Last option is 10. Domain or IP. And there is our trace route to it. So again, a nice, interesting recon tool for web, more specifically websites and DNS. If you have any questions, leave questions in the comments. And yeah, thank you.